Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Stitchfiddle settings to make up charts. You're going to go to stitchfiddle.com. And I used to have the free version, but recently I signed up for the paid version so I could have I could save lots of charts. But everything I'm showing you, you can do in the free version. So you're going to click on Create New Chart. Then you're going to click on Knitting, Colors, and then How I Work, Knitting in the Round. You want to click on that, and I always choose Flat Knitting, Start at Front of Work. And then Empty Chart. And then for My Gauge, you want to click on the numbers and then Custom. And these numbers I'm using are for a 40 by 60 blanket. I'm going to be uploading directions and I will have lots of different sizes on there. But for the 40 by 60, you want to make it 28 horizontal by 70 vertical. And then under grid size, you want to do the same thing. So we're going to do 28 columns by 70 rows. And then you're going to click Create Chart. Now you've got this chart. As you can see, just like our stitches, the squares are wider than they are tall. And they are 28 rows, or I'm sorry, 28 columns by 70 rows. And then over here, these are just the colors that are automatically set up, but you can change them anytime. You can just double click it, click on color, and then pick whatever color you want. You can also remove a color just by double clicking and click remove. You can also change symbols, and you can just pick any of these. It doesn't really matter. It's just for you to know. And I just pick like whatever random thing. I use this if I'm going to be doing all of it knitting and then maybe some stitches are purl. So I just want the number or the color to have a different insignia so I know which ones are going to be purl. So that's the colors. If you ever want to edit all of those settings that we put in originally, they're all right here. So you could change the craft, you could change the color work, the direction, the numbers. The grid is where you're really going to be making lots of changes for each different size. And then you can make notes to yourself. And then I just make the title. I would do 40 by 60 blanket. And then I drop my first stitch in each row so that I can have the nice edge. So I'm going to make my chain 30 loops, even though I'm only doing 28 columns. So here's the name of my chart. And then when you want to make a design, you can just, go all the way across, do whatever you want to do. If you ever want to copy a row, you just click it, click copy, and then you can paste that same row somewhere else. It makes it fast when you're making designs. And then if you want to get rid of it, I always just do white and erase. Excuse me. Okay, please let me know if you have any questions on this. Of course, anytime you make changes, always hit save. And then if you go into your charts, you'll be able to see all of them there. Here's the one that I saved. Thank you.